Hey guys, welcome back to another video on how to make a Minecraft server for free, as the title says. I know it's weird, wonky, woo. You don't need a Hamachi, you don't need RadminVPN, you don't need to port forward for this. All you need is a browser and Minecraft and some friends, honestly. And I know the third one's hard, but yeah, that's all you need. Um, Before we start, I just want to it would be appreciated if you guys leave a like and subscribe because I do make more videos. I just took a break because I moved out of my house and now I'm in somewhere else. I'm all settled in almost. And I also make gaming videos and stream. So be sure to join our Discord below in the description. And yeah, I'll see you there. All right. So first off, you'll need a browser. Obviously, I'm gonna use this one here. The website is called Eternos. As you, most of you probably heard of this. It's actually reliable. It's not a scam. It's good. Um, the only thing they run off of is advertisements, so you can't use a ad blocker. If you have one that works, that's cool, but they most likely won't allow you to ad block. And so yeah, so you click this play button. You might not see this yet. What you have to do is create an account. Um, Up here it might say sign in or something. I'm not sure. But yeah, so you got to create an account, log in with your Google or something, add a password, whatever. The reason why is because your account will show the servers that you can see because you're. I'll come back to that. All right. But once you logged in, you'll probably see this page, or you might see this page here. Um, I'll just go through everything briefly, real quick. So obviously, server here is where you turn it on. You can change the major stuff. You can change if it's vanilla or paper bucket, spigot bucket, for plugins, or for mods, you can go fabric or forge. Keep it vanilla, snapshot, all that stuff. There's also mod packs you can get as well. Um, just keep in mind that since it's a free host, you will have to keep it low on the mods because you only have, I think, 5,000 megabytes of RAM, which is good for like between 5 to 10 people, really. Unless you're playing together, then it's gonna be, maybe you can squeeze in more people. But yeah, keep in mind the more people, the more RAM. So, and there's no way you can increase RAM. All right, so now you got options here, which is your main properties for your server. So up here is your server address. You can't change this part here unless you have your own domain, but you can change this part. Like I can change it to Caesar and save it like that. And then this is your message of the day. I can change it to Mano Forever, just like that, which is a Discord reference. All right, so that's your name and message of the day. And then domains here if you really care. Here you can add your own domains. I don't really have any, but you can, you can create one if you really want to. But in my case, that's mostly for advanced people. So I'll go through all these real quick. So slots here is your max players. Here it's 20. We're gonna lower ours to woo. I'll lower mine to 5 because why not? Make sure you hit the save button too. Game mode is, if you want to play creative mode, survival mode, spectator mode, whatever. So I'm gonna keep mine in survival. Actually, I'll go creative mode because why not? Difficulty, we're gonna go normal because we're cool. Whitelist is if it's true, then or if it's checked, then it means that anyone in your whitelist can join, but no one else can. So if you want just friends only, then turn it on. Write your friends' usernames in the whitelist, and you're fine. Cracked, it's online mode. Of a lot of people actually asked me how to make it so cracked launchers can play with you. You just turn this off, turn this on, and you're fine. Online mode is false. Online mode means pretty much people who bought it and like it'll grab your skins and stuff. So if you're playing cracked, then you won't have skins shown or anything like that. PvP is player versus player. Keep it on if you want to hit your friends. Pretty cool. Command blocks. That's for more advanced people. I played around with it. It's pretty much like, if you do something, something else happens. It's kind of like a sequence of things. Fly. I'm guessing if you want to fly. Animals, if you want animals if you want animals in your world. Monsters, mobs if you want those in your worlds. Villagers if you want them in your world. Nether if you want that to exist. Forced game mode, you can keep it off. I never really had it on ever, so yeah. Spawn protection is how far away you can destroy a block from the spawn. If you really want a server for more people, I don't know why. You could put like 20 blocks or something, but I'll just keep mine to 0. Now, resource pack is if you want everyone to use a resource pack in the server, which we're just gonna keep it like that. Give your time zones here. I'm gonna use America, Toronto, because that's closest to me. And environment is if you want which Java you want. I usually just keep that to normal. All right. So then we have the console. This will only show once you start the server. I will not actually show this before. After, because it'll show my IP once I join. But this is pretty much. Actually, I can show you before I join. But this is where you would type in commands to, either spawn things or whatever if you're playing survival or op anyone. Logs here. I'm not gonna scroll down because it'll show my IP as well. But this, as you can see, I actually tried recording this before. But the log will pretty much keep everything from the past games to see what happened in your server. You check if anyone violates rules or whatever. It's pretty cool. Players, you can actually type in your ban IPs or your ban players and whitelist your friends or whatever, and operators, which is pretty much admins. So I'm gonna go ahead and click software now. We already checked that. Files. The files is your file. It pretty much, imagine a folder. This is everything inside that folder. So you have your world folder, whitelist, properties, all that stuff. You don't need to edit any of this unless you really want to, because you can do it in the server or in the options. So, and you can do it here too. World here. This is if you want to download your world to share it with your friends or wherever. Maybe do a backup. You can also download other people's worlds and upload it as one of your own. And you can just generate a new world. And you click files to actually view the files of your world. Force upgrade, I am pretty sure that this will automatically upgrade your world every time they have an update. Blah, 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 blah. Needs to new format. Okay, I'm not sure, but that's what I think it is. Optimize is to make it run smoother or not. Your choice, really. Backups, you'll need to sign into a Google account because all their backups are going to save into your Google Drive, which is cool, but your Google Drive does have a space limit, so keep in mind of that. And access. So if your friends have a Turnos account, just like what we're on right now, you can add their username here, and they can see the server and edit it as well. So if you have like admins or something, just like that. Ooh. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn this on. So I just want to tell you guys before that since this is a free way to get a Minecraft server, they are going to they go by queue. So like I don't know how many servers can be on at the same time, but let's see if it'll work this time. We're gonna turn it on. Loading. Let's check if we're gonna be in queue. Okay, so it looks like we're not going to be in queue, which means there's not that many servers on. I don't know how many they allow on at a time, but if you are in a queue, you'll see a number saying I'm number 600 and something out of 700 and some servers. That queue is just like who's next. So like if it says 1 out of, that sound by the way means it's on. If it says 1 out of 700, then that means you're the next server. So when the server shuts off, your server is going to turn on. That's cool. This timer here is going to keep going. As soon as your server is empty, it's going to start counting down. And as you can see, it's just counting down, right? But once I go on it, it's going to stop. It's going to show a check mark saying that, oh, your server is active right now. We're not going to shut it off. So I'm just gonna go here real quick. So your players, it shows you how many players you have in your server. Right now we have 0. Shows your RAM usage. Right now we're using 2400 megabytes. I think I'm seeing this wrong. I don't know, because it says 2400 megabytes, but this bar keeps moving. So yeah, I'm not sure about that. Maybe 2400 is the max. If that's true, then you can probably play with like 5 people. Anyway, so since we did this, let's go ahead and launch our Minecraft. So there you go. I just started launching it. It's gonna pop up anytime now. And once I log in, you'll see that this timer will stop. Pretty cool. And I do not think that this I don't think they're gonna shut your server off if you like while you're playing. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna stay. So and stay online until either you shut it off or your server becomes inactive, I guess. So we're gonna wait till Minecraft launches. I'm not gonna show you the console just because it'll show my IP, and we know what people can do with those. So yeah. All right, so Minecraft is loading up. There we go. Multiplayer. Let's go ahead and get our other one here. So the timer's at 3 minutes. It's still going. I just want to prove it. Up here is a server address, so you're going to give your friends and use for yourself. Or you click this connect, but I'm not going to do that because I never did and I don't want it to mess up. Go ahead and add a server. Bam. Bam. You're able to change this logo as well. So you know. So yeah, it says Mano Forever. Go ahead and log in. There you go. Just like that, we are fast. Oh yeah, we're playing crack, so that's why we don't have a skin and no bars on top. As you can see in the thing, we have a check mark, which means that it's not going to turn off because, you know, we use this. So I'm playing, I made it, oh god, that's fast. That's a lot faster than I remember. Wow, okay. That's an update, I guess. I haven't played Minecraft in a while, right? Anyway, as you can see, it works. We go ahead and play some blocks. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and travel the world real quick just because I want to check the tick. Okay, doesn't change that much. That's kind of cool. That is pretty cool. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it works. That's how you make a Minecraft server for free. So it does work. It's not a scam. As you can see, look how fast I updated. And that's how, see, it just started the timer because, oh, I didn't mean to click that. It just started the timer because there's no one in the server right now. If we went back on it, it would, you know, say check mark. Anyway, so guys, I hope this helped you. This is how you make a free server of Minecraft. I know this video could have been shorter, but I wanted to make sure noobs out there had an idea what things meant and stuff. So I hope this helped you guys. Make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure you guys subscribe because I do make gaming videos and I will stream very soon. And yeah, join the Discord too. Come say hi and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.